Hi guys, today we're going to have review acrylic paintings. You can see the sample we're going to paint today. So what we need: a glass of water, paint, dark blue, light green, dark green, a bit of red, white and brown. So we're going to need tissue also and 5 types of brushes. So you can see a medium, thick and very thin brush, also a pencil. So we're going to start now, and we're going to mark a horizon, so very thin line, and the shape of the mountains. We're going to create a bit dimension in our drawing, so perspective, so make sure it's kind of decreasing on the center, and just going to break our field. So now guys, let's get thick brush, and it's dry right now, like completely dry brush, you can see. So as you remember, we need just a little bit of water on the tip of the brush, and my brush is very hard also. So dark blue on the tip of the brush, just a little bit on the beginning, and we can start painting our canvas. So on the top, we are, like, as you remember, we're going to start from the top and moving down. Very dark blue, I'm going just to show you a bit closer. So it's going to be very dark on the top, you can see like a dark sky. It's also creating dimension on the drawing, and I'm moving down little by little. Yes, so you need to use 2 sides of your brush, remember that. Again, just a little bit of water, yeah, on the tip. Again, a little bit of paint, not a lot, and continue using 2 sides, removing paint from one side and another one, and moving down, so creating nice smooth surface. You see that our skies are going to look nice. It's a nice blue shade, and again, like over time, you're going to add a bit of paint and start blending on your canvas. So you can see also if you add a little bit of more water, so you can have a bit more transparent layer, and it's more lighter. Yeah, but now I'm going to use a little bit of light blue, which is you can get mixing dark blue and white if you don't have light blue. And the next step to create our dimension on painting dimension, so you can see that I'm adding white and blending it very nicely. You can see that I did not wash my brush, so I'm just adding a bit of water and continue taking paint from my palette. Continue, yeah, a bit more white, make a like nice thick layer. Make sure all white background canvas, all canvas is painted. So I'm going to have nice artwork, and you move in your hands. You need just to rotate your hand to make nice edges, sharp edges of mountains, but you can make it later when we're going to start painting mountains itself. So yeah, we're done with our amazing skies, look very magical. And now I'm just going to blend it a little bit more to create nice surface. So you can see just a bit of water, and you're making down part of the sky a bit lighter. Yeah, fantastic job. I'm sure you're done well your sky. Okay, so put your thick brush. Now you're going to need the medium one, and it's also dry. No water please, no water, just dry brush and white paint. So let's start with clouds. So we're going to make short strokes creating clouds. Please keep it on your mind how they look like usually, or you can take a look out of your window to see is it any clouds right there. So you can see I'm just trying to blend it a little bit, and the upper part is a bit more thicker, like I'm using a lot of paint, and I'm trying to blend it. This background, because background is still a bit wet, so the blue paint is going to mix this white just a little bit. And if I see it and I want to add a bit of more clouds to make nice cloudy sky, so I'm using thicker layer. Okay, I'm going to add big clouds and small ones, all of them different, yeah. And little by little, no water please, yeah, just paint and try to make your clouds look nice and natural, yeah. So again, you can see how I'm blending white paint to create nice smooth clouds. Okay, so also you can use your fingers as well to blend clouds and look them like more realistic. And you can see that clouds on the horizon are more transparent. Okay, now with dark blue paint we are continue making mountains, then we continue with grass and field. So now I'm going to make a trunk of a tree using a brown paint, and yeah, I'm continuing with a short stroke again and dry brush for my leaves. Now a little bit of sparks, flowers, and